The Bulawayo High Court has granted an application by the Citizens Coalition for Change, represented by Chabangu, to remove Nelson Chamisa and his alleged supporters from the party's Bulawayo office. Welcome back to Zim News Live YTS, where we give you latest updates about what's transpiring in Zimbabwe. Before you go any further, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss any updates. Justice David Mangota, the High Court judge, ruled that while Chamisa was not physically present in Bulawayo, he is clearly associated with those who forcibly took over the CCC Provincial Party House at Stand 41 4th Street between 2nd and 3rd Avenue. Chamisa, in my view, did not have to be in Bulawayo to despoil the applicant of its property. The fact that he could have taken advantage of the technological advancements which are currently awash the world over cannot, in the circumstances of the present case, be ruled out, said the judge in his judgment issued on 15th March 2024. Chamisa must have employed those to achieve his desired end in view insofar as his despoiling of the applicant is concerned. The Old English adage which states, "He who acts through another acts himself," holds true insofar as this application is concerned. This comes after CCC through Chabangu filed an urgent court application claimed on 30 January 2024 the respondent, the former CCC leader Chamisa, forcibly took control, occupation and possession of its property through his agents, assignees, proxies or. This is today's news about the court ordering removal of Chamisa and his supporters from CCC office. Let us know what you think in the comment section down below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss any updates.